Hello sir, I'm Julie Dinitalaid, and today I'd like to share my insight on one specific law we studied in class, the Data Privacy Act of 2012, also known as Republic Act number 10173. This law is very important today because we are living in a digital age where personal information is often collected online. What I learned from this law is that it protects the personal information of individuals. It tells organizations like schools, companies, hospitals, and even websites how to properly collect, store, and use our data. For example, if a company asks for your name, address, or ID number, they are not allowed to share it without your permission. One part of the law that stood out to me is the role of the data protection officer. Every organization handling sensitive information should have someone responsible for protecting that data. This means if there is a data this means if there is a data leak or hack, the PDO must report it and take action immediately. Another thing I found interesting is the idea of informed consent. This means company or website need to tell you why they are collecting your data and how they will use it, and you have the right to say no. This law is also connected to our rights as individuals. Under this act, we have the right to access our own personal data, correct it if it's wrong, and even have it deleted if it's no longer needed. My insight is that this law helps us feel safe in a world where we use technology every day for studying, shopping, or even just browsing online. I didn't realize how easily our information could be shared or misused. Now I'm more careful about where I give my personal data, and I appreciate that this law gives me the right to protect it. I believe that more people should be aware of this law, especially the youth, because we are always online. Knowing our right helps us make smarter choices and avoid scams or privacy risks. In conclusion, the Data Privacy Act of 2012 is a very important law that protects our identity and personal information. It's a reminder that even in a digital world, our privacy matters. Before I wrap up, I would like to sincerely thank Sir Jos for your dedication and excellent instruction. It has been a valuable and rewarding experience.